So we've got this, we've got a wonderful building that, you know, that's great. It's a model. It's something that we can look at. But the fantastic thing about them, and it's going to be revealed by the next couple of slides, is that there's, we know this intuitively, we just don't know it from the visual application of our senses. There's so much more to it than that. Let's go to the next one. So when I start to think about this building, I might think about it as an object, or I might think about it as a collection of rooms, but it's actually stuffed full of interstitial systems, in this case, mechanical systems. So this is the model of our mechanical system that is supporting the adult building. So here we've got the mechanical, now we've got in purple the plumbing, and as we were doing our design process at STV, and by the way, we're a big firm, so we've got a lot of disciplines in-house, but for this project we used a consultant mechanical and plumbing firm, and they were here in New York, but they could have been in Nebraska. We were working virtually with them. But the important thing is that we recognize the new opportunity to work collaboratively and work together to begin to fit these things together as we were building the systems, as we're building the building. Mechanical stuff is pretty much the big stuff that goes in first. And this is how builders build. They know that the first stuff that's going to go in is big stuff. That's mechanical. Then we've got plumbing. That's got to come in next. Then we've got electrical. That starts to slide in because it's the smallest, most granular stuff in it. And then fire protection they always kind of come in last. We had some really fantastic discussions during our weekly BIM coordinating meetings where we started to have collaborative discussions about how to route the following trades. In other words, given that the HVAC needed the most real estate and needed the first take at the building, you know, who came next and how could they work their stuff in through the building. It's called coordination. And so the important thing, though, is that we're coordinating this stuff in a virtual world that represents what will be built, so that we remove all of the questions of the what-ifs and the RFIs based on relying on two-dimensional plans that are separate of two-dimensional sections.